In this video, you will learn how to flash a wood buck window using DuPont StraightFlash and DuPont FlexWrap NF self-adhered flashing products before integrating the flashing with an application of DuPont Tyvek fluid-applied WB. First, prime the CMU around the window opening with a DuPont recommended spray primer, such as 3M's High Strength 90 or DuPont's adhesive primer. Working from the sill up, apply primer a minimum of 2 inches onto the face of the wall. Apply the FlexWrap NF onto the sill, extending the flashing approximately 6 inches up the jamb. Start in the middle and work your way to both sides, being careful not to overstretch the FlexWrap NF. Roll it tightly into the corner without extending it and fold it up onto the jambs. After the flashing is adhered to the sill, press out the corners, and the FlexWrap NF will stretch and extend, leaving a continuous flashing membrane across the corner. Do this for both corners, then roll the FlexWrap NF down onto the face of the wall. Make sure it's fully adhered to the wall and use a J-roller to ensure maximum adhesion. Next, using DuPont StraightFlash, apply the jamb and head flashing. Working your way up from the bottom, place the flashing onto the face of the jamb and extend a minimum of 2 inches from the jamb onto the face of the wall. In a later step, the StraightFlash on the CMU outside the window opening will be covered with the Tyvek fluid-applied WB to seamlessly integrate the flashing and the air and water barrier. Make sure the StraightFlash is pressed firmly and it meets at the crevices so that it's fully adhered and has a tight bond. Continue that same procedure on the other jamb and use a J-roller for maximum adhesion. The window head is next. Work from the center out, trying not to stretch the FlexWrap NF. Roll it into the corner and press it down firmly. Do the same procedure for the other side of the head. Roll the FlexWrap NF onto the face of the wall, gently stretching the corners and making sure the flashing is fully adhered. You now have a window opening protected by a self-adhered flashing membrane. The adhesive on the back of the FlexWrap NF and StraightFlash is butyl-based, so it won't run or stain like asphalt-based adhesives. Use a J-roller on the flashings to maximize adhesion and form a tight seal. Once that's done, the wall is ready to receive the Tyvek fluid-applied WB air and water barrier, in this case being applied using a Graco pressure roller, which is hooked to standard spray pump equipment and feeds the fluid-applied WB through the hose to the roller. This is the DuPont preferred application method for Tyvek fluid-applied WB.